Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we'll be talking about common threats. Before we talk about the common threats, we need to know what are vulnerabilities. So, a vulnerability is a hole or a potential weakness in the application, which can be a design flaw or an implementation bug that allows an attacker to infiltrate an organization or cause harm to the stakeholders of an application. Now, that leads us to threats. A threat in cloud security is a potential negative action or event facilitated by a vulnerability that results in an unwanted impact to a computer system or application. Attackers will create threats across multiple domains like email, identity, endpoints, and applications to find a point of least resistance. Today's defense solutions have been designed to protect, detect, and block threats for each domain separately, allowing attackers to exploit the seams and threshold differences between solutions, leaving the business vulnerable to attack. So, now we'll be talking about the most common threats Microsoft wants to focus on. Credential theft is a type of cybercrime that involves stealing a victim's proof of identity. Examples of credential theft are Mimikatz, password spray, or breach harvesting. Malware, also known as malicious software, is a file or code typically delivered over a network that infects, explores, steals, or conducts virtually any behavior an attacker wants. Examples of malware are viruses, ransomware, and adware. Phishing attacks use tricks or lures to get a user to reveal credentials or pay money, typically by getting them to click a link to a fake website in an email that appears genuine. Examples of phishing attacks are email phishing and spear phishing. Infrastructure attacks include improperly secured virtual machines and resources in Azure. Examples of infrastructure attacks include DOS and DDoS attacks. So, these are the common threats that Microsoft wants you to be familiar with. There's definitely more than just 4 types, but these are the main ones that Microsoft wants to focus on.